Hey, we're almost there. Last day. Hopefully get to see you tomorrow. What I would like for you today is to think about a research topic. So we are going to start our research project. It's not going to be a paper. It's going to be more of a project. And you're going to be working with this topic for probably 2 weeks, maybe closer to 3. Okay, so 2 to 3 weeks. So I've put a list on your S'more. You can read through that, see if any of those topics interest you, excite you, make you want to learn more about it. And if not, you can do a Google search and try to find a topic. But by the end of the lesson, I want you to have come up with 3 possible topics, okay? Something that you want to know more about. And it is so much easier to do your project if you actually want to know more about it, okay? So try to pick something that's interesting to you. Then I have listed some project types, and I want you to decide what possible 2 ways do you think you might want to share your new knowledge, okay? I would say that most kiddos probably pick slides, okay? Some people like to write traditional papers, so they will pick that. I've had posters, really nice posters done in the past. I've had some videos submitted that were very good. I've had one song written, didn't maybe quite go as well as they thought it would. So be thinking about that. So 2 ways that you think you might want to share your knowledge with everybody else. Okay. Now, do you have to present? No, you don't have to, but most students do choose to present in some form, whether they share their slides, they share their poster, they share their video, okay, they do a speech, something like that. So be wise in your topics that you're picking, okay? Go over to Google Classroom and put them on the document, okay, and submit those because they are up for approval or disapproval by me, okay? So work hard, and hopefully I get to see you tomorrow.